guys, what's up guys? So many people think that the most important thing in life is power or money. And once upon a time I was thinking about this. Hey, I have to earn a lot of money. I really do. I have to do that. I really believe in that. But listen, I find out that yeah, money is very important. Power is very important. That's no question. But if you want to be that type of person that I'm talking about, you don't need money. Okay, you don't need power. What you need is this inner peace, self-satisfaction, and that is the most important thing. Yeah, I know that money is very important, power is very important, but there, with power, with money, you don't do that type of thing, or I can say that's not enough in order to go that top, you know. So that's the thing. I know that many people think about this, and okay, so please comment us what's your opinion about this matter, so I can get some information like this. Okay, so goodbye. See you again in the next video. So